Welcome to another video. This time I want to support numbers in names. So in my programming language Plum, I currently don't support this, like having a number inside a name. And I think that's useful, for example for points, but also just in general. Yeah, currently when you try to compile that, it probably says something, or couldn't parse identifier or something. Let's see. Yeah. So it just passes the point as the name, and then it says, well, I expected an equal sign now, but there isn't any. Yeah. The way to fix that is to change the parsing, which is in, I believe, bacon to toast, and names. Yeah, and here we have the characters that are allowed in identifiers. And I think we basically want to also allow numbers as long as they are not in the first position. So let's see, if identifier chars, if that contains the current character at the parser position, everything's fine, otherwise we break. And instead what we want to do is, otherwise we want to check if parser.current.isDigit, I think there's isDigit in the standard library. But we only want to allow that if we are not at the start character. So if I will do it like this. If the parser cursor is larger than the start, and I think and is more tighter binding than or, but just for clarity, I'm gonna have braces there. Yeah, something like that. Let's see. Okay, so isDigit actually exists as a function, which means that this code compiles and it outputs a 0. Does that make sense? That means, let me check. In the I think we call the main, we have this program, okay. And then we run that with a 5. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, never mind. We don't even use the argument in the point. We just use the origin, which is always at 0, 0. So the x coordinate is at position 0. That makes sense. Well, okay, so now I support numbers in identifiers. That's it. Short video. Yeah, I guess see you in the next one. Hold up, actually I want to go through the standard library and check if I can use that somewhere. So in the bool module, not really, I think. Byte is not really used yet. Hasher, also not. In ints, maybe. Here, log2. I think that should just be like that. All right. But I think that's it. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I'll commit that. Support numbers in names. Boom. Sure. All right. Yeah, that's it for this video. It's a really short one, I know, but I think that's fine. This is a simple language feature, so See you in the next video for real.